In this video, we are ordering fractions from least to greatest. Least means the smallest fraction. Greatest means the largest fraction. Here you can see that I've drawn 3 number lines. They are each divided up differently based on their denominators. This fraction is split up, this number line is split up into halves. This number line is split up into fourths. And this number line on the bottom is split up into eighths. So if I want to order these 3 fractions from least to greatest, the first thing I want to do is figure out where each fraction falls on my number line. So since 3/4 is first, I'm going to go down to my number line and I'm going to put a dot on 3/4. So I know that 3/4 ends right there. And then I'm going to look at my 1/2. And I'm going to put a dot right there. So I can see that that is where 1/2 falls compared to 3/4. Lastly, I'm going to take my 2/8 and I'm going to look at my number line. I'm going to put a dot right on 2/8. So, we are ordering from least to greatest, so my smallest fraction would go first. Remember, your smallest fraction is the one farthest away from 1. So my smallest fraction is 2/8. Sometimes I like to draw little arches so I can help visualize for myself how far away each fraction is from 0. So the smallest one has to go first, so the one that has the least amount. So the smallest fraction is 2/8. So I'm going to write 2/8 over here. That's going to be my first fraction. Then I need my second biggest fraction. And that fraction is going to be 1/2, because that's not my largest one closest to 1, but it's right in the middle, in between 2/8 and 3/4. So 1/2 is going to be next. And then my greatest fraction, which is also my largest fraction, is going to be closest to 1 over here. So my greatest fraction is 3/4. So I'm going to write that right over here. So when I order these fractions from least to greatest, I can see that 2/8 will go first because that is the smallest one. 1/2 goes in the middle because it's the next largest. And then 3/4, that comes last because we are ordering from least to greatest.